on Monkey Mischief Classroom. We're gonna work on some place value. I like to use a mat. I have large ones with construction paper for my kiddos at work that I have laminated, which are nice. They could put in front of them. And then I like to use fun stuff. We have like Volkswagen bugs for the ones place, and then I have school buses for 10's place, and then I have a ship for the 100's place, and then I think I have airplane for the 1000's place. But having a mat is fun, so I have created a mat that is in the Google Drive and on Teachers Pay Teachers with the actual place value blocks that you can cut out and use. Laminating, you then can use whiteboard marker on them if you want, and they don't get messed up, so you don't have to keep printing, if that's an option. But so I like that visual, to give them the visual when we're working on place value. But what I like to do is, my students know that in each place value there can only be 9. 9 is the biggest number, so it would be 9 here, 90 here, 900 here. And so what we'll do is we'll start small, and we'll, I'll be like, how many ones are there? And then I always like to provide a visual, so I'll write it out, the number that they say. And then, and they know that there can only be 1 digit in each place value. So when we get to I'm very lively in the classroom when I teach, so it gets them all excited. So we'll get to, 10, because we count the days that we've accomplished of the school year. And so, we'll go and I'll say, okay, let's count the cubes in the ones place, and they'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'll look at them and I'll go, uh-oh, can I have 10 in the ones place? And, they usually will be like, no. And then I go, what do I do? And they'll tell me to bundle it. Now I have a smart board in the classroom, so I just go like this and they get bundled. But if you have it's in front of you, you could just go like this. That's right. I'm gonna bundle this here and get it out of the way. And then where do I put it? And they'll say in the 10's place. And I'll put the 10's place, and then I'll go, okay, so now what number do we have in the 1's place? And they'll tell me 0, and I'll write down 0, and then I'll be like, what number do I have in the 10's place? And they'll tell me 1. And then I'll say, okay, we started our work on the right hand side, now we're going to read the number from the left hand side. That's really important, because they need to be able to distinguish that we work math problems right to left, but we always read, just like reading words, we always go left to right. And then I'll say, so how many days? And they'll say 10. Or what number is this? And then they'll say 10. We do that again with the 10's place. So I'll have the amount here. And then we'll go, okay, we're going to count by 10's, and we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 100. What? Can we have 100 in the tens place? And they'll tell me, no. What do we do? And they'll say, bundle it. And so we'll bundle this. And then put our 100. And then we'll go, I'll start from the ones place. And I'll say, okay, how many ones do we have now? And they'll tell me 0, and I'll write it. And I'll say, how many tens do we have now? And they'll go 0, and I'll write it. And I'll go, how many hundreds do I have? And they'll tell me 1. And then I'll say, okay, we started our work on the right-hand side. Now we're going to read the number from the left-hand side. What number is this? And they'll tell me 100. This is a great way to visualize how numbers work and why the changes happen, which then makes rounding activities really easy, and doing less than greater than activities really easy.